Now playing Spider-Man Mysteries Menace. Okay, and now it's playing Spider-Man. Those are now getting into Spider-Man. Okay, we do it. Come on. Stop. No, sit down. Take it to Spider-Man. There. Well, this is Spider-Man Mysteries Menace is destroyed. Ripper! To play Door Explorer Superstar Adventures right now! Nope. Near you, sir. Now getting Spider-Man Mysteries Menace. Now be quiet. Okay. Okay. Be quiet right now. Not you. I want to play Spider-Man Mysteries Menace. Ah! Ripper, stop yelling. Now getting to play Spider-Man Mysteries Menace. I want to play Door Explorer Superstar Adventures. That's fun. Now we're gonna take over CD Double Hat. And in there. Ah! Ripper! Stop yelling! Ah! Ripper, stop yelling! Ah! Ripper, stop yelling! Ah! Ripper, okay, that's it. Now be quiet. Now destroy. No! 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 What are you doing? What's the game? Ah! Wait! Don't play Door Explorer! What is going on? Okay? Ripper! No! 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 Stop it! Okay. Now sit down. What's wrong? There. Okay, Ripper. Fine. Play Door Explorer Superstar Adventures. No! Wait! Don't wait! No! Stop! Ripper! Sit down. No, sit down. What are you doing? There. Going to the cage now. Ah! Go to the cage now. Why not? Yes, I did. Get it to me. Get it to me. Where am I? Get this a fountain? Okay. Got it.